Gross. Is that your lunch? It smells awful.
Huh? Does not. Mmm.
Most people just say microwave instead of microwave oven.
Weird, because microwaves aren't just for popping corn. Microwaves are used for cell phones, radars, and Wi-Fi networks.
In a microwave oven, the vibration of the water molecules in food is what produces heat.
Do you come here often?
Microwave cooking was discovered when this guy named Percy Spencer was working for a United States Defense Department contractor. One day, when he was on radar duty, a funny little incident gave him his brilliant idea.
Drat! A hot and sticky sensation is oozing forth from my pectoral pocket. How strange! Huh? Looks like my chocolate melted in my lab coat. Is it due to radiation? Hold on! This is fascinating! I've always wondered if microwaves... Oh, so holy cow! Hot!
In 1953, the first microwave oven appeared. It was almost 6 feet high, weighed over 700 pounds, and cost $35,000.
The first food ever made in a microwave really was popcorn.
Microwaves aren't only for cooking food, you know. The other day, I put a bar of soap on high for 1 minute to see what would happen. It just kept getting bigger and fluffier.
Are you out of your mind?
You know, you sound like my mother. What if it could have the same effect on a houseplant? Don't worry. I know how to help Shirley. A 5-minute microwave getaway. Shirley! Well, so I think our work is done here.
And one more thing. Don't believe everything you hear.
Pardon me, I'm looking for my ear.
Ah!